This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to lock your applications on your Android phone with a PIN. We can just go over to the Google Play Store, and there's a lot of different applications where we can lock apps. So we can go to lock apps right here under search, and just make sure you type it in correctly, lock apps right here. And the one I've been using is AppLock Pro. You can try one of these other ones like AppLock right here, 10 million downloads. So this one's got AppLock, 4.8 stars, 50 million downloads. So go ahead and try one of these and install it. Now a lot of these are just free applications, so it will have ads on it, but you can still use it and it shouldn't be too annoying. So we can open this up now. So if you find one with good rating, go ahead and just try this one out. So it says 4.8, that's not right. But come up with your PIN, or you can switch it on over to like a pattern or a code or something like that. So I'm just going to do 1111 so I don't forget it. So I'll remove it. And you'll have to remember this to delete it. So we can go to permissions, allow. So let's do it. Accept the permissions so it appears on the top of your phone. So here's AppLock. Okay, we accept that. We do that one more time. Allow this permission. Now we're ready to lock our app. So there's going to be a bunch of different apps already locked by default. So we can go to unlocked or locked on the top. So we can see these applications are locked, like Chrome, Brave, Drive, Facebook, etc. So we might not want all this stuff locked. So I'm just going to go to unlocked. Facebook maybe, I don't know. And then we can just go to Gmail, just keep all our message stuff locked or wherever. Photos. So if you ever want to lock your photos, that's a good way to do it too. So just come here and just make sure you don't have everything locked that you want. So we got our camera on here. Now we can lock something. So if we want to lock Fortnite, for example, so we can just lock it now. Okay. Now we can go to Fortnite. Where's Fortnite on here? So here's Fortnite. When I go to my application lock, this is what you see. You can't use it until you enter in your PIN. So let's enter in my PIN. Now I can play Fortnite, and I gotta update this beast. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.